guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am wearing hair from Hermosa hair, and I have it styled up into this cute high ponytail. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. I'm gonna be installing a wig from Hermosa hair straight up out the bag installed. All right, so I'm going to be installing this wig from Hermosa hair, and this is a straight up out the bag wig. It's already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and ready to install. If I'm not mistaken, this is water wave hair, but I'll have to double check. And it also is a 360 wig, and it also comes with the invisible straps right here. So let me just show you guys how these straps work. The invisible straps on the inside, I don't know if you guys can see them through the wig, and if you pull it, it kind of adjusts and like fixes itself to the back of your nape. You don't have to use any glue or nothing like that. You just tie it in a knot and it stays. And of course, once you untie it, it goes back to its regular form. And it also has a built-in grip band. These rubbery parts help it grip to your hair, and the grip is adjustable but not removable. So you can cut it out. This is how it looks straight out the bag without any product on it, and it's definitely giving scalp. All right, you guys, so I'm going to try it on again. And I'm not gonna lie, I haven't had me a 360 wig in a very long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off by my ears. Okay, y'all, so because this is a 360, I now have to go ahead and cut off the extra lace from the back. And you gotta be careful because there is the 3 strings that kind of hold everything together. So you don't want to end up cutting that string and losing your grip. And put my makeup on my lace. I'm using Ruby Kiss in the color 15, and I use this darker side. That matches my skin better to me. So I'm going ahead and just doing that. And you can already see like such a big. I'm gonna adjust it to my head, and then I'm gonna flip it forward. And grab both sides. And adjust it to my head by just pulling the strings together. And then putting it into a knot. All right, I hate when there's hair on my lip. It feels pretty secure. I'm gonna show you guys what the back looks like. All right, so I've got the wig plucked to my likings, and I'm gonna go ahead now and just like skim through the process of gluing it down until it's time to cut the lace. I'm gonna go ahead and put down the wig now. Now with my first melt, I'm gonna go ahead and put the band down, and I'm not going to use any sprays. I'm just going to let the glue melt in first, and then I'm gonna go back in with a second melt and I'll use the spray. Whew. Jesus Christ. Y'all, the band ain't to be joked. Like, it's not to be messed with. Now I'm going in with my second spray, which is my Lace Melt by Avion. All right, y'all. Whew. I'm gonna cut off the excess lace. And then I'm going to do my final melt. You guys, so this is the melt of all melts, which is the final melt. And I'm just going in with that same makeup brush, no new makeup. And I'm just putting that on anywhere that might have any colored cast. I hate putting on my wigs with makeup, because now I have this like light ass looking part right here because of my actual makeup. So, whew, making sure there's no strings. Now I'm going to do my lace melt. Is when I fold the band in half to really secure it. All right, y'all, it's time to take the band off. Whew. Ooh. It looks so good, and I can't do a deep side part because it's like a 360, so we're gonna do a middle. I am going to take a little bit of this oil and I'm just gonna put it on my hairline so we can loosen up that double melt. And my baby hair brush, so I'll use my comb for now. If you just pull it forward, like, lifts up the hair off the scalp. I want baby hairs all down my perimeter. So I'm gonna part out my baby hairs. And a little hot comb on it. Listen, I done burnt the crap out of my ears. So I'm going to be very, very mindful in the mirror. Well, not the mirror, but mindful. Very, very cautious with my hot comb. And I want a I don't want like a full baby hair, but I want like a front swirl right here. Now I'm gonna pull everything up into a ponytail and out my way. Looks so cute already on my baby hair. Right there. Sideburn action. I want my baby hairs long on the sides. Do y'all hear my baby having the time of his life outside? I'm gonna be honest, I literally had to kick him out the room because he was jumping all around, messing up my bed, and just being very, very clingy. But now, he's having fun. All right, we're gonna start with the first swoop, which is my middle swoop. And I think that it is cut off. Do you hear him? It's cut off to my likings. I'm gonna be using my melt spray. So my first little swirl. And right now I'm just lightly stroking them into place so I can see where I need to cut and trim. Okay. So they are a little long, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that excess off. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my sideburn now. I'm just swooping that and holding it, swooping it and holding it, swooping it and holding it, swooping it and holding it. And there goes that sideburn. Round. Perfect. I'm gonna do the other side and then finish the hairdo. I'm gonna show you guys some ways you can style your hair, like updos. So for one, we can start off with a nice high pony. And just look at how flat the 360 just lays. So this is if I want to have it like this. And then let me just show you guys how the back would look. And this is without any glue or anything like that. I'll show you how it would look in a bun. Oh, there it is. In the top knot bun. All the hair is covered. I feel secure without it feeling too tight. I think it's so cute. But I am going to wear it up into a pony like this, just to give it a more of a natural look by your nape. Just to keep it cute. yeah, y'all. So this is the end of the tutorial, and I am wearing hair from Hermosa Hair, and I've got it up in this ponytail because it's a 360 wig. I am gonna go ahead and like define the ponytail a little bit more and leave like little pieces out just like this, just to give it a cute look. Make sure you guys check out Hermosa Hair.